Hi, hello all, welcome to Jab, and this is another video in the learners launch section. Let's straight away get into our topic. Today we are about to see how we can manage input and output. Usage of formatting is mostly useful in output statement, so let's see that now. We will see the ways to format integer, float or real value string literals, and finally see the example of printer finally combining all the way so that we could make the video shortly, as already we have crossed our limit of time. Okay, let's finish it up soon. For integers, the syntax is percentage wd. As we already said, w specifies the width of the character that will be displayed in the output screen. That is the function of the printer. We already know and see that. Okay, there are some instances in percentage wd as well. Let's see that. If you give percentage 60 will allow space for unspecified numbers. For instance, if you give a 4 numbers and the numbers will be filled from the left to right, and the spaces will be left in the starting two spaces. We will show you the how it works in while working in our coding. These are useful when we are printing a pattern kind of thing programs. This is a useful feature in C. Okay, the next is percentage 06d will allow 0 for the unspecified numbers. Previous thing, it will allot space. This will allot 0 in the unspecified numbers. And the next is percentage minus 60. This will also do the same function, but the uh, ordering of numbers will change. That is, these numbers will start from left to right. That's it about integers. And the next is real numbers. The syntax is percentage w dot p f. W indicates the width of total number values with a decimal point and decimal values, and p indicates the precision digits to be used, that is, after the dot how many digits are to be displayed. Let's see the certain various what to say instances of that f percentage f. Okay, percentage 7.4f is the 7 is a width, so we can use 7 spaces to enter this float value, and zero point 0.4 is specifies the 4 decimal values. Same in the same way, 7.2 will allow the two decimal values alone after the decimal digit. So 74.2646 something, if you enter, you will be getting only the 26 after the decimal point. And the arrangement is from right to left, as we have not the negative sign, so it will be arranging from right to left. So there will be spaces at the start. Two spaces will be given, as 74.26 including the decimal point will be 5. Okay, the next is the instance of minus 7.2f. This will arrange the numbers from left to right, and the functions of this is same as the above we explained. The next is percentage e. This is can hold an exponential value. This we don't mostly use in printf statements, but you can know this. Knowledge is nothing that you should omit. We can learn anything that is around us. So we are giving everything that we are able to do in a single video. Okay, the same can be done in a different way as percentage, multiplication symbol or asterisk, dot asterisk f, close the double quotes, and with comma precision comma variable. This is same as the we did the percentage 7.2 f. For string, we will see the indications and the syntax for this. Percentage wc. Yeah, the percentage wc, as we all know, w gives the width of the string. It will be order from right to left, as we stated above. If we give the negative symbol, this will give from the left to right, as we know. And here also there is a function like w.ps. W gives the width, p specifies only the p characters are to be displayed in output. So this is very useful in constraining the output that to be displayed on the screen. Percentage yes will enter any number of, sorry for that's a break in between. Okay, the percentage yes will enter any number of strings. Percentage 20 yes will allow 20 spaces and will start to fill the characters from what is that, right to left. Oops, did I missing something? Okay, we will be putting it on the screen. You can verify where you can very well go through it. It's from right to left. Okay, then the next is a percentage 20.10s. This also does the same above. Put displays only the first 20 characters in the given string. It means that it will allow 20 spaces. Coming again to 20.10s, 20 will allow the 20 spaces and will print only the 10 characters. That is the first 10 characters that is in the 20 blocks in the output screen. Next is percentage dot 5s. Here the string length can be any length, but the characters that is displayed on the screen is only 5 characters. The next is minus 20.10s. This will allow 10. The next is minus 20.10s. This also same 20 width and display only the first 10 characters, but there is a difference in the previous one. Yeah, that's a negative symbol. So the order in which the characters are being filled will be altered, that is from left to right. Remember, in this formatting, the negative symbol indicates that this is being filled from left to right. If there is no negative symbol, then all the characters will be filled from right to left. That's it for the formatting. A sample printf with all the above three data types that we have shown for the printf statement is shown here. Printf %2d, %5.2f, %5.3s, and here we are given the exact values and not the variables. This is simply to show you as an example, but in real programs we should not do this. It's not recommended for sure. 3456, 34.45 and hello are the three values that we are given. The first one is a 2D, so it will take only the first two integers and omit the 56, so we are getting 34 in the first place. After that 5.2f, that is 5 places we are getting into the decimal point and 2 precision. Already there is 2 precision, and including decimal point there are only 5 values, so the entire value is being printed on the screen. Next is 5.3s, so we are getting 5 string values, that is HELLO, that is 5, but we are given the precision as 3, so the first 3 characters alone will be printed, that is HEL. These are the basic formatting. It is enough to do coding. We will see further formatting as well when we start to see some coding exercise that will be useful while learning. This is enough to do all sorts of coding. We will see if anything more further needed, because there are some alignment programs and aligning alphabets in triangles, rectangles, so we'll see at that time. Okay, that's it in this video. Do like, share and subscribe for more content. We'll meet you in next video.